As a parent, do you correct your children by being hard and disrespectful? I realize that children obey faster when you speak nicely to them. Take time to study your children and know exactly how to approach them. There are different kinds of children, stubborn, rude, and all that. But that should not stop you from loving them. Remember, love covers multitude of sin. Always correct them in love. Every child is born to be loved and teachable. Teach them in love. Hello, lovelies. Join me as I make dinner for my beautiful family. Today's dinner, I am making spaghetti bolognese, basically white spaghetti and grounded beef sauce. It's a quick meal that does not require much. Get your grounded beef, chop some onions and garlic. Please don't skip garlic when making this sauce. It elevates the taste. Another thing is fresh parsley or curry leaves. Saute your onions, garlic, and curry leaves until it releases the fragrance. Then add your grounded beef and season with seasoning cubes. You can also add any seasoning of your choice, but try not to add so much. I like to keep it simple, as always. Basic ingredients, you are good to go. Once the meat turns brown, add your tomato sauce. Stir. You don't need water in this sauce, but if you must add water, just little. Stir. Cover and allow to cook on a low heat for 6 minutes. When making your spaghetti, allow water to boil. Add salt before adding your spaghetti and cook according to the package instruction. As you can see, I have my testers around. They are testing and nodding their heads. At this point, you will be hearing so good, so good, so good. They can't wait. It's one of their favorites. Which one is not their favorite, safe? As far as mommy made it, is gold. Anything I touch is gold. You guys, Italians doesn't play with this style of spaghetti. I check on the spaghetti and is ready. I'll go ahead and serve everybody and see how they are enjoying it. It's so good. Hubby came back and I served him. I went and prepared for work. Baby girl is going to work this night and off I go. Thank you for watching and bye.